Morning traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So yesterday was a little bit unexpected. I wasn't expecting a rally like that. So anyway, right now the moving averages are crossed over and pointing to down, which is bearish, and this little exercise here could be a retest of the break, or it could be a turnaround. So pretty much for me at the moment, until we get through this chaos, just can't get it exact, but that's kind of what it is. Until we get through this chaos, I think I'm just going to sit on the sidelines. So this is still looking relatively dangerous to me. There's a lot of magnets to the downside, and the longer, this is almost the whole month now that we just going sideways. If we come down to the 3 hour, you'll see pretty much more chaos. So you can see how often we are switching and crossing over on the moving averages. So no trend that's being established. Trends are on the very low time frames, and you can see we had sellers coming in while we sold it down, and the buyers would step in, seeing value on this somewhere along the line. Not really much structure either, which doesn't bode well with me. I much prefer structure where I can get a trade in and just leave it. This kind of stuff is 5-minute trading, where you need to watch the 5-minute chart all the time and take your profits on 5-minute targets. And it does work, it does make money, but it just means you've got to sit and watch the charts, which I don't like doing. So anyway, for me at the moment, this is absolute chaos. You can see not even the closing range would have been triggered with this. You would have been triggered on this closing range, but then you would have been stopped out. But whenever I see this kind of stuff, big moves up, big moves down, that is confusion for me. Okay, so looking at the hour, the current trend is up. We've got a grouping of the oscillators. We've got a bit of diversions on the moving averages. So, and we're kind of bouncing off this previous level here, which has now become resistance. And if I just go across to what's happening on the rest of the world, Hang Seng is flat. Rand dollar 14.14, so that the rand strengthened a bit, and oil is up 0.5%. But the US markets yesterday were pretty much flat. Nothing really to write home about. And it is earnings season. We are expecting quite a few big results coming out of the US today. So yeah, I think for me, I'm not even really interested in the closing range strategy at the moment. The trend is up. I think that's one thing that we need to take cognizance of. The trend is definitely up. So you want to be trading with the trend. And I'm picking a trend on the half hour or the hour at the moment. So that's the direction we want to go in. Problem is, I don't really like what I see with the oscillator. So this is one that I'm also going to be sitting out today. So I think most of the markets, I'm going to wait for the US market this afternoon to see what some of the results dictate, to see what happens. But for now, I think I'm staying out of all markets until I get some direction, clear direction of which way we're going to go. Okay. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps, and I will catch you guys later. Cheers for now.